Hi and welcome to part 3. I've got the model assembled and we're going to get into just checking the balance now, make sure we've got that right. So the instructions specify that the balance point should be 6 inches behind the leading edge at that point there. So I've transferred that position on either side and I've put a piece of card on the wing to protect it, so I'm going to invert the model now and put it on my centre of gravity stand, and that's just to connect the veneer on the wing while we do that. Okay, so there it is, balanced with a view from the side, and it's just about 2-3 millimeters in front of the lines that are marked on the wing, so I think by the time it's covered it'll be absolutely spot on, which is good. Just take a view from the front. So I'm happy with that. That's turned out really well. I'm actually glad I used the 91 engine rather than the 120, because the 120 was a fair bit heavier than the 90. And I would almost certainly have had to put weight in the tail in order to get it to balance. So very happy with that. So there's a view of the completed model. Just got to get on with the covering and decorating now. Okay, right, the model's all covered now. I'll just do a walk around and then I'll talk about what it's covered in, etc. Okay, so that's the walk around. Just get the camera back in place and take it out again. Right, okay, so the model's covered in solar film super shrink polyester, which is probably my favourite covering. Goes on really well, very easy to apply. Been using it for years and yeah, so it's probably my favourite covering. Now the lettering that you see on there, that was supplied by a company called Tribal Signs. You go on their website and you can design your lettering actually online, choose the size, the font, etc. And it's actually a vinyl lettering that they supply you with, and then it's self-adhesive and sticks onto the model, very easy to apply, and that should be fuel proof as well, so that's good. And then the logo, the club logo, I printed that on a normal printer at home, and I got some clear sheets from a company called QP Media. Again, I'll put a link in the description. So you print off your own design. That's our club logo. You do have to fuel proof that though, because it's just the ink on a clear sheet, and fuel would actually remove the ink. So once I've done that, before I put it on the model, I spray it with a clear gloss fuel proofer, let that dry for a few days before attempting to stick it on the model. And that's about it really. Don't think there's anything else to say. It's all ready to go, and what I'll do is I will post a flight video when I get the chance to do a maiden and get some flights in. I'll then put another video out showing just how it performs. So thanks for watching, and see you at the flying field.